Alternative locations for the Smartlink cable are possible. Typically, a first coat of Smart Touch conductive coating would be applied before installing the Smartlink cable. Whichever method is used, make sure the exposed wire end of the cable is accessible to an electrical installer. This is best achieved by inserting it through an appropriate hole in the substrate and into a cavity or ceiling space where the wiring connections will be made later. For surface mounting, the connection point will be visible after installation, so mounting in a discrete location is advised. Cover the smooth face of the Smartlink connector pad with Smart Touch conductive coating and press it onto the wall surface. Secure with the supplied pins and apply Smart Touch conductive coating over the connection and surrounding area. Then apply the final decorative top coats. Mouldings, such as architraves, are ideal for covering surface-mounted connections. Cut out an area on the reverse side of the moulding if required and install for an invisible finish. For recessing into a wall surface, cut out a section of the surface to house the Smartlink connection. Seal the surface with resin Sure Seal or wallboard sealer, and once dry, apply Smart Touch conductive coating into the channel and surrounding area. Make sure channel edges and corners are well covered and allow the coating to dry. Insert the Smartlink cable, then cover the smooth face of the Smartlink connector pad with Smart Touch conductive coating and press it onto the wall surface. Secure with the supplied pins and apply Smart Touch conductive coating over the connection and surrounding area. A second application is advised. Apply a final coat of Smart Touch conductive coating over the entire active area if this was not carried out earlier. Remember, 3 coats are recommended when using a resin No. 4 roller sleeve. Fill the channel with plaster and smooth the edges. If sanding is required, take care not to damage the conductive coating. Seal the plastered area and feather the edges, then apply the final decorative top coats.